How to open PDF file in WhatsApp and laptop. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can easily open the PDF file in WhatsApp and laptop. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So you may just open web.whatsapp.com. After that, simply log in into your WhatsApp account and head over to the chat where you'll be finding the PDF that you sent or other people sent to you. So let's say you want to open the PDF that you particularly sent or other people sent to you. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to the chat as I said. After that, simply click on the download option and wait for the download to be completed. After the download is completed, it will appear at the upper side at where you can see downloads on your Chrome browser. Just wait for it to download. After that is downloaded, you just need to open it up on your file manager or any of the PDF viewer that is available on your laptop. You can see it is downloaded on my screen. So when I open it up, it will open up on my file manager. I just need to right click on it and tap on open, and that particular PDF will be opened. So therefore, you may also follow the same steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.